Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can change the Shopify homepage banner size. So all you have to do is just simply go to your online store and click on that, then click on themes. Now click on customize on whichever store you are currently running. So just simply click on customize. Now over there you will find your image banner. So just simply click on the image banner over here. Just by simply clicking on the image over here, then the image banner will appear. Then just simply click on that, or just simply click on the image, it will appear over here as well. Now after clicking on the image banner or image, you will find the image banner editing section over here. Now the first setting that we have is image. So over here we can change image just by clicking on change, then change image, remove image, or connect dynamic sources. If you want to change image, you can just simply click on change image. Then you can upload your new image which you might have made for your Shopify homepage banner. Or if you want a free image, you can also go for that just by going on free image, then choosing one of the genre your website is related to, then choose the image. Then after choosing the image, just simply click on select over here and the banner will be changed. You can also add a second image over here if you want to, something like this, but I don't want that, so I will just simply remove it. Now after the second image, the next setting that comes is image overlay opacity. In this option you will be able to change the opacity of the black overlay on top of your image. Let me show you. As you can see right now, the overlay has been completely removed, but that doesn't look good, so I'll just simply keep the opacity up to 60% or 50% maybe. Yeah. Now in order for you to change the size of the banner, you will find banner height over here. So you will have three options: large, medium and small. So we are currently in the large. Now just simply go to medium if you want medium, it should be this one, and if you want small, you can go for small as well. And you can also change the positioning of your banner over here, both for the desktop version and the mobile version. And after making all of the changes, just simply click on save, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.